Here we go, first rinse. So in total this is going to do 3 rinses, but if I didn't select extra rinse it will do 2. But I want it to do 3 because it's bedding and I want it to wash out all the hairs and stuff, as you can see from my cat. So that's why I want it to do 3. Well, that is not high at all. That is literally nothing. That's not even wet. You're joking me. Oh, because it's bedding, it thinks there's hardly anything in there. Right, guys, I'm going to have to change it and put it on a rinse and spin only, because I can't have it like that, unfortunately, because I need it to wash out all the hairs and stuff. If I didn't have a cat, then it would have been fine, but because I have a cat, I need it to wash out all the hairs, so I'm going to have to do the exact same thing, but it will be on rinse and spin only, which will do a higher level. So yeah, change of plan. I thought it was going to do the high level, but it's not. So I know it's probably going to annoy a few people, but I will do the cycle again, which will do. I will do darks and stuff, and I will use this cycle again, and which will be the actual full cycle. I'll let it go all the way through, but because I've got bedding, and I need it to do the high level, up to about at least here. So that's why I unfortunately have to put it on to rinse and spin only, because I need it the high level. So I know it's probably going to annoy quite a lot of people here, but I'm sorry, but I do need to have it on the I need to wash out all the hairs and stuff properly. But don't worry, I will do this cycle again very soon, very soon, in like a week or so. Next time I use this cycle, I will definitely film it, which will be like in a few days, with darks or something like that, and I will let it go all the way through. Don't worry, because normally when I put darks and stuff in there, it fills to about here. In here, so that's why I want it to. Then I will let it go all the way through, but because that was so low, I just needed it to wash. I need to rinse out the bedding. So there we are. That's better. So it's coming up to the door. There you go. That's much better. probably going to do a top up. And also I won't need to, because it's going to spin at 1400 now, so I won't need to do an extra spin after this now. Filling through. Oh, it's filling through main wash, okay. Right guys, I'll see you in second intermediate spin.